Hello, movers and shakers. How the hell are you doing? Hey, guys, would you like to learn a little tactic that I just recently stumbled upon to actually take the stress off of you and make you a good amount of money? Well, stay tuned. Hi, guys. I'm Jay Burnham, and this is the Seven Figure Moving Academy. Thank you so much. Welcome to my new offices. I know it's kind of bland, but hey, it's all it's a shared office space. There's a bunch of office, so I got this one little room. But it's cheap, it's affordable. And I can have my little ditty dog here with me. But guys, I wanted to do this really, really quick video. As you know, recently I ran into a little bit of problems with my business. Everything is gone. I have to rebuild and restart over. But I learned something that I've heard rumblings about. I've heard like people talk about it, but didn't really understand the concept of it until I actually had to do it. So basically, the situation is this. I come back, I have no home, I have no trucks, I have no equipment, everything is gone, it's destroyed. It's just I have to legitimately start all over again, right? So here's the thing. What I did is I was able to reconstruct some of the jobs that I had pending. Fortunately, one of them was a $9,000 job. So what I did, instead of actually doing the move myself, because I don't have the equipment anymore, I don't have the trucks anymore, I didn't even have money to go out and rent trucks at the moment in time. So I mean, I was literally I was broke. I was living hand to mouth. I was like but this is what I did to generate. Anyway, I took that one job that was $9,000. It was a big move. It was moving from one side of the state to the other side of the state. It was really great. So what I did is I found a moving company that I know, a guy, his name's Jason. And Jason actually is running, I hope I don't mess up, New Neighbors Moving. I hope I didn't screw up. I'm going to try to leave a link to his website in the description below. But I actually worked out a partnership. What I basically told Jason, I said, Jason, here's the thing, right? What I need you to do is I need you to do the move, start to finish. You run the crews, you get the trucks, you get the equipment, you do all the packing, because it was a full pack job too. You do everything, and you just give me a small commission. And, I'll get a 20% commission, and I will then, for my efforts. And he agreed to it. And you know what? He got paid the entire amount of money. He worked under my licensing. He worked under everything that I had, because he's still a new informative company. Now, this is very similar to what the van liners use and some of the bigger independent moving companies use, but they call it a 401 or a 403 agreement. And basically, it's owner operator, and the owner operator gets these jobs, and he has to run the crews. He has to provide all the stuff and everything like that. But all he does is get the jobs, and he pays he pays for the privilege of getting those jobs. But he makes a good amount of money. Now, when I did this, I put this on the Seven Figure Moving Academy Facebook group, and people are going, "Oh, you're not getting enough commission, and you should do this and that." But I found that if by getting 20% of the jobs and giving the person 80%, was very, very good for me, especially in the situation I am now. Maybe down the road that isn't going to be sustainable. I don't know. We didn't actually write out a formal agreement. It was more of a handshake agreement, and but I'm just saying, this is a perfect way. So if you're looking to do something, let's say you're just getting into the moving business, you have a lot of expertise, you can sell you could sell ice cubes to Eskimos, then I would really suggest, hey, take a look at this option, or take a look at this option to actually expand your reach in your reputation, etc. Now, of course, you're going to have to make sure you get the right kind of guys, and this isn't for everybody. And quite honestly, I don't know the full legalities. I don't know the full everything. This is just what I stumbled in, and it worked. And it worked a couple different times, and it's continuing to work. Now, I'm only doing this as a desperation move. I haven't signed anything like that. And I am by no means an expert in this particular strategy or tactics. Do not go, hey, Jay, what about this? You know, there are other guys, there are mentors in the group that know far more about this than I do. Eric Works from Works Moving and Storage knows about this subject like it was his left hand. You know what I'm saying? So go and ask the mentors. Go and ask the experts who actually do this. This is just something that I did that is working. Now, later on, as I get a little bit more sophisticated and I start building up the business again and I start bringing in the more income and so on and so forth, you know, hey, then, you know, maybe I'm going to need to get these agreements in writing. Maybe I'm going to need to take a little bit more cut of the moves and so on and so forth. But right now, this is what I'm doing. And it's just a strategy I thought I would share with you, something for you to look at, something for you to maybe ponder and see. But by all means, don't just jump into it. I did it because I had to. I was desperate. I had to do something. And my philosophy is just get it done. Just go and do it. You know, you can work out the things later on. You can work out the finer details. You can work out the legalities. You can work out everything later. But just go and get it done. Just start doing something. Get it doing. And that's where I was. I just had to make sure that these customers were getting service. Was making sure that these customers were getting service by the top-notch guys. And Jason, dude, thank you so much. I appreciate your help. You did a great job, and I really appreciate it. Also, shout out to Jason Connor, who helped me. A different Jason. He did a move for me to move a local newscaster, weatherman, celebrity in our area from Lansing to Portland, Maine, and the guy did a really great job. We got some good reviews. We even got a nice little picture from Dustin. It was really, really cool. So thank you to everybody that's been able to help with me do this. I really appreciate that. But guys, if it's something that you're looking into, start doing your research. Go online, ask Eric Works. Go to some of the more advanced moving Facebook forums like Moving Company Owners Unite group. Now those guys are a little bit more advanced and they're going to have a little bit more details. And I tell you what, I do know that some of the big independent moving companies that are making 7 figures are doing this particular strategy. Eric Works from Works Moving and Storage is one of them. There are other guys that are doing this. Van liners are doing this, and they're doing it to some good success. I'm sorry, my ear is itching, guys, so I apologize. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to go over that. This is a brand new strategy. It's working for me. And you know what? I don't have the headaches. I don't have the headaches of the crews. I don't have the headaches of, scheduling the job. I just had to make sure that the job got done. But I didn't have to worry about the crew showing up. I didn't have to worry about, the weather or anything like that. It took a lot of stress and took a big monkey off my back. Kept a couple of little monkeys, but the big monkey came off my back. So if this is something that's intriguing to you and something that might be interesting, please go ask the expert. I am not that expert, not yet anyway. So go and ask them, see what you can do, see how you can get this going, see if you can get the agreements, a copy of a standard agreement. They might be online. You can download them. I do not have those agreements. Again, I did everything by a handshake. So guys, thank you so much for coming to 7 Figure Moving Academy. I'm going to be doing a couple more videos. I just wanted you guys to know something that is working for me, how I'm actually starting to rebuild my business. This may be a workable solution for you, especially if you're new. I don't know. I'm not saying it is. This is what's working for me. Guys, thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, we've got tens of thousands of people that come and watch these videos. You need to subscribe to the channel. And when you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. It's a little teeny weeny little bell right next to the subscribe button. When you hit that bell, you'll get notified when I upload a new video. All right. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts on this. What would you think are some of the pros and cons on this? Let me know down in the comments below. The more comments you guys leave, the more shares, the more thumbs up or thumbs down if you're one of those kind of guys. The better these videos do. So help me out. Spread the love, if you will. And guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, where's that off button? There it is.